If you are a YouTuber, work on YouTube, you want to earn money from YouTube, then you should watch this video completely, because my job is to convey information so that you and your channel remain healthy in coming time. Okay, let's start this video. Look, if you want to earn money from YouTube, you have to follow YouTube partnership program. If you don't follow him, your channel will not be monetized. If you collect copyright free materials from different platforms, and after collecting all these materials, make a new video which contain only and only these materials which you have downloaded. Apart from this, you don't have any materials in it, you have only edited it. So you should understand this clearly, that such videos or such channels are not monetized, because YouTube does not consider your editing as creativity. You have no role in it. Whose videos is still his own, you don't have any right in it. So in this case, your channel does not monetize. So please don't do this. And finally, if you are a YouTuber, work on YouTube, please subscribe my channel, like this video and leave a comment. Thank you very much.